Alright guys, so hey, looking at the valve cover here, it's already been painted once before, but see the way that paint is coming off, guys, that's because it's not prepped right. They should have used etching primer on here and that paint would still, you know, it would last a little longer on there. But normally I would tape off, like it's even sprayed paint on the holes there, but I'm gonna take this hose off eventually. I normally would tape off the rubber garment the best I can and leave it black, but in this case I'm gonna just leave it and paint it the way it is. So I'm gonna come in here today, guys. I'm gonna show you how I straighten out the valve cover gaskets on these Buick valve covers. So first off, I got, for my video when I was working on cleaning that frame, I said brake fluid. I'm gonna write in the comments that I meant cleaner. Guys, sometimes I be tired and I be tired, guys, and the mind don't be thinking right, you know. So you're well rested and everything, the mind works a little better when you get the right amount of rest. But anyway, I'm gonna come in here today and all I'm doing is using brake cleaner, and I'm gonna clean out these valve covers. I'm trying to get as much of this old oil out of here as I can. So I'm just coming in and just cleaning this up. Alright, now I'm gonna let that dry. So first off, I got, what is that called, an anvil? Whatever it is, that I use for my trim when I'm straightening out my trim. Now guys, the thing is, these look halfway decent, but I got a couple that I need to straighten out. You know, I want to make sure these are totally flattened out, guys. So I want to come in here alright, I gotta really tighten, I really gotta crank on this thing because I don't want it moving at all. You ain't got to hit on them hard, but I want to flatten these out. Any ones that's not flat, I want to flatten them out. Alright, so those, they all look kind of flat there. Alright, I don't know, see if this vise, I don't think this vise is wide enough. Let me see. I always keep telling myself I need to get a bigger vise. Oh, it is. Alright, so that's going to work even better. It's not. These grooves, it still won't get in there. I would have to put another piece of piece of tin, a piece of wood in there. Alright. It don't take much to straighten these out, guys, but you want to look around and any of this that's bent up, you want to straighten out, guys. Alright, so that's good, because both these ends here was bent up. So now I just get these flattened out. Alright. So now that's perfect. I gotta just do the other one now. Guys, so hey, with the Buick 350, 455s, whatever, I just want to come in here and show you. Now, with the original, you know, valve cover screws and washers here, if you notice, let me put it right side up. Alright, so if you notice it bends, it bows up, you know, so sometimes these are screw off, sometimes they don't. Like this one will screw off, but I'm going to leave it on there just to show you. I just tap around that. But then, you know, most of the ones like this, they normally come out pretty easy. But if they don't come out, but if you see, that's bowed up. So what I'm going to do here, guys, is that I set them right in, you know, open the vise up. And what I do, guys, is that I bow these down, so when I tighten the screw down onto the valve cover, I'm not just getting pressure right in this area where the screw is. I'm actually getting some pressure on the outside there, guys. So that's just the way I do these, you know. And then I come in, if the, you know, if the screw don't come out, I just tap around this pretty much, and I still get that same bowing effect there, bowing down, guys. So that's just the way I do this, guys. You know, it might not be for everybody, but you know, I just, you know, it just makes sense to me that sometimes people over tighten these and they bow up the opposite way. So I try to, you know, bow them down, get that pressure on that valve cover. All right, all things Buick, guys. You like these videos, like, share, subscribe, hit the thumbs up button. That's the like button, guys. Hit that thumbs up. Let me know you appreciate what I'm doing here. All right, appreciate all you guys. All right, thanks. Sorry, guys. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. Like I say, when you go to put this on the valve cover, I'm going to put that down on there. I'm going to bring it in close here and just let you see. See how that's borne down? That's what you want. You want that pressure out here instead of right in the center there, guys. So that's just the way I do it. Hopefully you can see that there. But it leaves a little gap, you know, in the middle. So when you tighten this down, you get some pressure on your outsides here. All right. All right, guys. So here on Dee's car, I got that rubber grommet was painted red when I sandblasted it. All of it came off. So guys, you know, you wanna, I cleaned up where the gasket is gonna go already. Shouldn't be that, you know, no overspray really getting in there. But I cleaned these valve covers really, you know, sandblasted up pretty good. So now I put that 801 metal treatment on there. Now these are etched and ready ready to paint up here. So I got all of this stuff etched. Etched with the 108. Now I'm ready to come in and spray some etching primer on here and then get these painted up red. Alright, guys. So hey guys, I got all the engine parts painted up now for these 73 here. It's coming along really good. You see I got it totally taped off, guys, because you know, overspray, when I'm spraying these parts, that mist get in the air. You know, you don't want nothing on there. But, you know, I got all this brackets painted up. Got the inside of the wheel wells done. The frame is all painted up here, guys. I got a little bit more painting to do. But I got the engine all painted up there, guys. I got to start untaping stuff. Valve cover gaskets came in today, so I'll start putting all this engine back together today, guys, and get this finished up for them. I got to add a little bit more paint, pour 15 on there. I'm going to just leave them silver. Just leave everything silver on here, guys, and man, D73 is turning out all right, guys. All right.